This waterbird is also known as the Rosian pelican. On the other hand, the pink-backed pelican gets its name from pink feathers on its back, which you might get lucky enough to see if it spreads its wings open to fly. Let's head to Asia, where you can find the spot-billed pelican. You can see 3 of the spot-billed pelicans right over there at the railings. You can see where this species gets its name from. Look at all those spots on their bills. The spot-billed pelican is found in Pakistan across to Indonesia. Diving deeper. Diving deeper to the land down under Australia, where you can find the most beautiful species of pelicans. They are none other than the Australian pelican. The Australian pelican is the one in the black and the one in the tank. The male Australian pelican has the longest bill in the bird world. It is measured about 2 meters long, which is about 60 centimeters. The Australian pelican is also known as the